CapitalRise Investment Pricing explained what you get for your money. CapitalRise is a property crowdfunding platform that allows investors to participate in commercial and residential real estate projects. Many assume property crowdfunding involves high fees or complex contracts, but CapitalRise keeps pricing clear and accessible. The platform itself is free to join. Investors pay a one-time administration fee, usually between 1% and 2% of the investment amount, depending on the project. There are no recurring platform fees, and all expected returns and exit strategies are clearly presented before committing funds. Investment minimums typically start at 1-0, making it possible to participate without large capital. Most people get this wrong by assuming real estate investing requires ownership of entire properties. CapitalRise allows fractional ownership, giving investors exposure to property returns, rental income, and appreciation with lower risk and easier liquidity. For example, investing 5-0 in a commercial project could provide quarterly income distributions with minimal management effort. The surprising truth is that CapitalRise combines real estate accessibility with transparency, making property investment approachable for a wider audience. Investors can track their portfolios and returns easily through the app. In conclusion, CapitalRise pricing is simple, transparent, and investor-friendly. By understanding project-specific administration fees and minimum investment amounts, users can access property investment opportunities confidently and efficiently.